Hi, this is Jacob Youngblood with NCD, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with your enterprise gateway. First thing, we're going to cover what comes in the box. Here you can see your enterprise gateway. Here you'll have your two Wi-Fi antennas. You'll have a DigiMesh antenna. This is a 900 megahertz antenna. If you're using a different frequency, yours might look slightly different. If you have the LTE gateway, you'll have these two LTE antennas. If you have the light version of the gateway, you won't have those. Here you'll have the DIN rail adapter, the power supply, as well as the international adapters. And here you'll have the terminals for your gateway. On the gateway itself, you'll have these stickers. This is the MAC address of the wireless module, the DigiMesh module inside this gateway, as well as the frequency that it's using. On this portion, you can see that we have ETH0. By default, this will act as a client, and you can connect this to an existing network to put this gateway on that network. ETH1 will act as a router, so any devices connected to this will use this gateway as a router and get internet from it. Here's our power connectors for the terminals and our digital inputs and an extra serial port. On this side we'll have main and div are the cellular connectors. If you have a light gateway, you won't have these connectors. Here you'll have the Wi-Fi 0 and 1. Those will be for your Wi-Fi module, and the XB antenna connector is for your DigiMesh antenna. So to get started, I'm going to be connecting the power supply to this and the terminals. So the 2-position connector will go here. The 3-position connector will go on the serial port, and the 8-position will go on the digital inputs. These also connect as digital outputs. Next, I will take my power supply and connect it to the gateway. So the red goes into positive and the yellow goes into negative. Positive and negative are marked on the gateway here. And I will secure those connections using the screw terminal. There are also screws on the terminal to more securely connect those terminals to the gateway. After that, I'm going to be attaching the antennas. So I'll start with the Wi-Fi antennas. Then I will connect the XB antenna. After that, I will connect the cellular antennas. And then I will connect the power adapter that I'm going to use for the gateway itself. Before I plug in power and connect to this device over the Wi-Fi AP, first I'm going to show you the sticker on the back. So here you can find the sticker that will show you the MAC address that we'll use later to connect to the device. You will use the last 4 characters of that MAC address.